In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot your WordPress website when you face login issues. This guide will help you address some common problems that prevent access to your WordPress dashboard. We'll go through each step methodically to ensure you can resolve these issues as effectively as possible. First, let's talk about clearing your browser cache or using Chrome's incognito mode. The cache stores temporary data, which can sometimes cause conflicts when changes are made on your website. To clear it, simply go to your browser settings, find the option to clear browsing data, and ensure that the cache is selected before you proceed. If you want to avoid affecting your regular browsing, you might try using Chrome's incognito mode instead. When you open a new incognito window, the browser does not store cache or cookies, which can help in loading the most updated version of your site. Now, if you still can't access your WordPress dashboard, don't worry. The next step is to reset your WordPress password using the Lost Your Password link. On your login page, you'll find this link right beneath the password field. Click it, and you'll be prompted to enter your username or email address. Submit your details and you'll receive an email that will guide you through the process of setting a new password. Make sure to create a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and special characters to keep your site secure. Moving on, let's tackle potential plugin issues. Sometimes, incompatible or faulty plugins can cause login problems. To identify if this is the root of your issue, you can temporarily disable all your plugins, access your HostGator cPanel and navigate to the file manager or use an FTP client. Locate your WordPress installation, usually within the public_HTML directory, and find the WP content folder. Inside, you'll see the plugins folder. Renaming this folder to something like plugins_deactivated will effectively disable all your plugins without deleting them, allowing you to determine if a plugin is causing the login problem. If these methods haven't resolved your issue, we need to ensure our site has the correct database credentials. Access the wp-config.php file, which is found in the root directory of your WordPress installation. Open it and verify the database name, username, password, and host information are all accurate. Any changes in your hosting environment could necessitate an update to these details. Finally, if all else fails and the problem persists, it might be time to reach out to HostGator support. The support team can provide insights or rectify issues that are beyond your control or expertise. They're equipped to handle a wide array of problems and can guide you through more advanced troubleshooting steps if required. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to regaining access to your WordPress site. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps resolve any login troubles you're encountering.